Anyway, I'll bring the scanner here and we'll find it out if I can work it out that one too. See?
Yeah, it doesn't sound anything like it normally
Intermittent.
does.
Yeah, it's not. It should be run steady.
Yeah.
Mm.
Oh, bugger. Gonna go one thing after the next now.
Mm.
Hey,
Yeah, I know.
hi Bob, I'm just here with him now. Listen to the cars, sounds sick in. The car does sound anything like it was.
Yeah, he said it's got a real bad retard.
Yeah, that's true. Like, you hear it, it's running now, it doesn't sound anything like what it usually does.